pattern of weave. You do not see the end, it's got crochet braid at the end. I've started a little bit longer before now, done the cornrow, washed the hair, conditioned it, and done everything, and we've got pretty almost halfway. So I'm going to show you what I do to the edges as I go, because she has no hair out, so we're going to disguise it so it will look as natural as possible. So stay tuned. So this is what I do. I cut out a little bit from the weft, just like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and crochet it onto the front bit, like from here now, as you can see. Would you hold that close? Thank you. No, onto here, like so. Up like this. Thank you. But this is not crochet needle. So I've got my crochet needle and I've got the weft. Just gonna separate it, take a little bit, and I'm gonna stretch it so that it will be long as well. And I'm gonna go in like so. I'm gonna pull it, and I'll go ahead and tighten it, just because you want it to stay put. Go around again. And that's it, pretty much. So you can see, and go ahead and do all of these bits so that it will cover up everywhere. Cheers. Okay, this one stretched out quite a lot, but it's alright still. Just have to go in and tighten it. Just gonna keep going until I'm happy with the hair which is there. The key is to have the hair as small as possible, because if you grab a lot of hair, then it will not stay put, because this hair is quite slippery. Right, that's it. As you can see, as a result, so she can wear this hair in any style she wishes. Up or down, and it will look so nice.
Crocheting it onto her weft to cover the traps, so that there will be no need for closure or hair out. Watch online, because this is a new version of weave. If you don't have your hair out or the closure, and it came out pretty nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do everything to this bit, and then I will continue with the rest of the tape, crocheting it, and I will show you the after result. So yeah, there you go. Not looking bad at all so far. So yeah, we'll get there in the end. So here is the finished look. Yes, crocheted weave, no leave out needed, no closure, and she's happy, and that's what matters. And this is gonna last as long as possible.
Come on.